Hello everyone, this is Ronald, and in this video I'll walk you through the answer focused SQL data manipulation process using the MyFC dataset. So the question I'm answering is how many players are on each team. So to answer this question in the 8 procedure method that they gave us to begin with, I'll begin with the step 1 where I clearly state the question in a script. In in this case, you can see my script is called ECIT143 myFC, and step 1 dot RB, my initials, and it simply asks how many players are on each team, as you can see. So for the second step, uh, S2, in this step I start mapping out a basic plan to answer the question. So I'll join the I'll join the tables on the team ID, and I'll join the player table player dim with the table of the team dim using the team ID column and group by the T code as I have stated here. Yeah. So the T code will, this procedure will count the players, as you can see how. So first of all, join the tables on team ID and use the count with group by team name, as you can see. So the third step is to add a ad hoc SQL query. So and in this process is where I build the working SQL query. So I join the two tables and group the results to show the number of players per team. As you can see, join the tables, group the I join the two tables and group the results to show the number of players. So as you can see, as I try to execute, this is our output where team code and the player count, whereby this is the team code under 6, under 7, under 8, and the number of players per team, as you can see. So in step 4, we are going to turn the query into a view. So this is step 4. So in step 4, I convert the ad hoc query. So in step 4, I convert the ad hoc query into a view so that it can be reused. The view is called vteam player count and is created using the script s4 rb my initials.sql, as you can see. So step 5, we are going to view the table. We are going to change the view into the table, as you are going to see, using the select into ABC S5. As you can see, we use the select into to turn the view to a table. This is our step 5, so 5.1. So created another 5.2 where we define a proper table. So I define this table and the table structures with column constraint and a primary key, as you can see. A constraint with a primary key. And team code, we give it a variable character of 5 and player count with a data type integer, which is not null, and we dropped in a table that existed. So execute, and I see our execution is successful. So in step 6, we are going to load the table with data. So I create a script. I create a zip that trackers the table and loads it from the view this let me refresh the data anytime I need. Yeah. So we're going to step 7. Yeah, we're going to store the procedure. Yeah, so step 7 turns that loading logic into a stored procedure. Let me load it. Yeah, so my procedure is named USP team player account load, and it clears the table, reloads it, and then shows the updated result. Yeah. Oh, there is a mistake here, but yeah. So I already executed this, so that's why it's showing an error. So to step 8, we are going to execute the stored procedure. This is step 8, and if I try to execute it, so the procedure, this is the procedure, and I try to execute it. As you can see, it shows what you have been doing and the number of players per team. Yeah. So this concludes my video of the SQL answer forecast method using the MyFC dataset. So this process helped me understand how to move from a simple question to a reusable SQL object that can be called anytime. So thank you for watching. Bye.